Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ClickUp dashboards for executive reporting, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to the space where you want to create the dashboard. Locate the Dashboards option in the left sidebar. Click on the Dashboards option to enter the Dashboard section. Select the New Dashboard button at the top right corner of the screen. Give your dashboard a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Choose a color theme that aligns with your team's branding. Decide whether to make the dashboard private or share it with team members. After making your selections, click Create Dashboard to proceed. Now you'll be taken to the dashboard canvas. Click the Add Widget button to start adding components to your dashboard. Select the type of widget that best fits your reporting needs. Options include task lists, charts, and other data visualizations. Customize each widget by choosing the specific data you want to display. For task lists, you can filter tasks by status, assignee, or due date. If you select a chart, define the metrics and time frame for analysis. Adjust the size and position of each widget to optimize layout and visibility. You can drag and drop widgets to rearrange them according to your preference. Once your dashboard is set up, review each widget for accuracy. Adjust any settings if necessary to ensure data is correctly represented. Click Save Changes to preserve your configuration. To share your dashboard, click the Share button on the top right. You can invite team members by entering their email addresses or selecting them from your ClickUp workspace. Finalize the sharing settings to ensure everyone has appropriate access. Now you can start using the dashboard for your executive reporting needs. Regularly update and review the dashboard to keep your data current. With these steps, your ClickUp dashboard for executive reporting is ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.